Hello to the first semester students of BCom. This is Professor Deepa Tangankar, KLS GCC, dealing with financial accounting. In the previous class, I had given you the proforma of farm accounting, wherein we had studied regarding livestock account, then pottery account, fish account, okay, cattle account, and so on. Today we'll be dealing with one of the problems onto farm accounting. This is the question being given. So let's deal with the question. We'll just analyze the question. From the given information, calculate cattle account. Capital opening value of livestock is 100. Cattle food opening stock, that is 3,000. I'm sorry, this is 30,000. 30,000. Next, purchase of cattle food, that is 1,35,000. Purchase of cattle during the year 200. Number of units is 200 and 5,85,000 is the amount. Sale of cattle during the year 150 and 5,62,500 is the amount. Sale total of sludgered cattle, that is 40 and 1,80,000. Sale of carcasses 15 and 750. Cattle closing value of livestock 115 and the amount is 5,85,000. Cattle food closing stock nil, for the that is numbers is nil, and then 37,500. Out of the calves born during the year, 4 died. Crops worth with rupees. So the 4 died and the carcasses of calves did not realize anything. Crop with worth rupees to 22,500 grown in the farm were used for feeding. This has to be worth, not with. Rupees 15,000 is estimated to be wages for rearing, etc. Sludger house expenses amount to rupees 22,500, depreciation charge to rupees 7,500, and insurances rupees 3,750. With this information, we got to prepare the cattle account. So let's begin with this. So the heading goes as cattle account for the year ending. Cattle account. Okay, and then we have this particular format ready, that is we got to prepare the cattle account, that is expenditure, number, amount, income, and number and amount. All right, so let's begin with this. So cattle opening is how much? Opening value of livestock, that is 100 units and 3 lakhs of rupees. So this is nothing but the opening stock. So let's take it opening stock. Where do we take it? To the income or to the expenditure? It goes to the income side. So 2 opening stock. Okay, I'll just take it to the next line. Okay, this is nothing but the value of opening stock of value of livestock. So value of cattle, and what is the amount? 100 is the number, 100, and next is amount is 3 lakhs of rupees. So 3 lakhs of rupees. Next, cattle food opening stock. So here, look here, you have cattle food, then you have purchase of cattle food. Okay, so there are two things, and then again cattle food closing stock. Okay, so opening stock is there, then you have purchases, and then you have closing stock. So cattle food goes to the expenditure. So 2 cattle food to the next line. I will write this, that is opening stock. opening stock. What is the amount of opening stock? I'll write it in the inner column. So opening stock is how much? 30,000. Okay, next. After this, you have purchase of cattle food. So purchase of cattle food is how much? 1,35,000. So I'll take this to the same one. I'll add it over here. So purchase of food. I'll write it as purchases. Purchase of food. It takes a little space here. Which is 1,35,000. Okay, so the purchases of cattle food is being added over here. We need to add the purchases and minus the closing stock. Okay, so after cattle food, you have purchase of cattle. Purchase of cattle again comes to the debit side. So to purchase of cattle food. Purchase of cattle, and what is the amount there? Purchase of cattle is during the year is 200 and the amount is 5,85,000. So we'll write here 200 and the amount is 5,85,000. Next, sale of cattle. Sale of cattle comes to the credit side. So buy sales. Buy sales. By sale of cattle, you can write it as like this also, by sale of cattle. And what's the amount? It is 5,62,500 and the number is 150. So we'll write it over here as 5,62,000 and then 150 is the number. Next, after this you have sale, that is sale of sludge-stir cattle. So this again comes to the credit side. So buy sale of sludge-stir and then the amount. So I'll just write it over here. Buy. So the entry is buy sale of sludge-stir cattle 40 and then 1,80,000. Next, after sale of sludge-stir cattle, that is sale of carcasses. So sale of carcasses again goes to the credit side. So buy sale of carcasses. Buy sale of carcasses. And then 5 and 750. Next, cattle, closing value of livestock. Okay, now livestock is where you closing value of livestock comes to the credit side, that is by sale of, that is by cattle, that is closing stock of livestock. So by closing stock, in the bracket you can write down as livestock, close the bracket, and then the amount is 150 and 115 and 85,000. Next, after this you have cattle food closing. So this is again, it comes here, we have cattle food. So opening is there, then add purchases, next is closing. So buy your cattle food closing it is. Okay, so closing has to be deducted. Opening has to be added. I'll just bold this. Opening has to be added and closing has to be deducted. So after this, less cattle food and write it as closing stock. And what is the amount? Closing stock is 37,500. So let's write it over here as 37,500. Okay, after this, so this is the value of closing stock, which is 37,500. Outer column, there's no other entry which is required in case of cattle food. Then the total of this goes to 1,27,500. So that's the thing what is given in the table. Next, out of the calves born during the year, 4 died and the carcasses of the calves did not realize anything. So this sentence will just work out after some period of time. Okay, next, after this, crop worth rupees 22,500 grown in the farm were used for feeding. So that entry again comes over here. So two crop grown in the farm and what is the value? Crop grown in the farm worth rupees 22,500 which was used for feeding. So 22,500. Next, after this, rupees 15,000 is estimated to be charges for wages for rearing. So 2 wages, again it's an expenditure. 2 wages. Okay, and what is the amount? 15,000. So 15,000. Next, after this, so next is sludger house expenses amount to rupees 22,500, and then this is the amount which is to be written again to the debit side, that is 2. This is again an expense. 2C. Sludger house expenses amounted to rupees 22,500. So this is again an expense. So 2 sludger expenses. So the amount is how much? 22,500. So it will come here again 22,500. Next, after this, depreciation charge rupees 7,500. So to depreciation 7,500. To depreciation 7,500. Okay, next, after this, after depreciation you have insurance charges. So insurance is again an expense. So